Dear learners, till now we have seen basic operations of singly linked list. We have seen how to create singly linked list, how to insert new nodes in singly linked list. Again, where to insert nodes, whether at the beginning, whether at end or in between, how to delete the nodes, how to use linked list traversal, how to delete the nodes and how to destroy linked list. So these are widely used operations on linked list. There are two more operations on linked list and today we are going to discuss these two operations. These two operations are nothing but splitting a linked list in two parts or concatenation of two different linked lists. So let us see one by one. First we will see concatenation of linked list. In concatenation of linked list, we are going to join two different linked lists to create a single linked list. This operation is also known as merging a linked list or appending one linked list. So this is very important operations in case of database management. So let us see what is concatenation of linked list. Let us take an example. There are two linked lists, linked list 1 and linked list 2, LL1 and LL2. Both are having some nodes inside it and the last node of both linked list ends with null in link part. Now let us see how can we join these two linked lists by using this operation. So for this purpose we have to take another variable, let us call it as LOC, and we have to find out the last node of first linked list. For this purpose assign first node of linked list 1 in LOC and until you are reaching to the last node of first linked list you have to move this LOC to the next node. When you are reaching to the last node of first linked list you have to stop over there and then you have to copy the pointer of linked list 2, that is address of first node in second linked list in the link part of LOC. By using this technique, what you are doing, you are giving address of next linked list in the node of last node of first linked list and then you can delete the pointer for linked list 2 and you will get one linked list LL1 only. So this is concatenation of linked list. Let us try to understand how can we write its algorithm. Let us say concat LL is an algorithm. Now it requires address of pointers of two linked list and then we will create another variable LOC and that we will begin from linked list 1, that is first node of first linked list, and while we are not reaching to the last node, while LOC's link is not null, how to identify last node? The link part of that node is null, that is indication of this is last node. So by using a loop we will move the LOC to next node until we are getting null value in the link section. Once we are reaching to the link section, the last node, we will move to the next step, that is we will just put the first node in link section of LOC and it will just join all the linked lists. So this is simple algorithm for linked list concatenation. Now let us move to the second operation. This operation is splitting linked list or dividing linked list into different parts. Now in this case we are having only one linked list and now we have to divide it in two linked lists. Now here one thing is very important. What will be the indication or where you are exactly going to divide this? Now for understanding purpose we are considering that at a particular node with a particular value we are going to divide the linked list. Now how to do this? Let us see in the form of example. Suppose you are going to search a particular data and when you find that particular data you are going to divide the linked list. Now for this purpose, what can we do? Just take another variable, start LOC, start from the first node, and just compare that particular value, move your LOC to the expected last node according to the data to be searched. So suppose you are searching for a value 30, then move your LOC until you are getting 30 in a data section. Once you get it, what to do? Then the next operation is just copy this, just create another linked list 2, and copy this LOC's link to the linked list 2, LL2. And then you have to put null value in LOC's link section. So in this way, you are terminating first linked list at LOC, and second linked list already you have created in LL2. Now this is two different, then now it becomes two different linked list. Let us try to understand its algorithm. Let us say split LL is an algorithm title. Now here we are passing only one linked list, which is the address of one linked list, LL1. And now here we are passing another variable, that is a data1. Now data1 indicates that it's a data where we want to split the linked list. Now as we discussed, create another variable LOC and copy the LL1 first node into LOC. And then while you are reaching to the particular data, just move LOC. So here in condition I am saying while LOC's data is equal to data1, move it. When it becomes equal to that data1, that means what you have reached with that particular node. And then what to do? Just create another variable LL2 and copy the link of LOC to LL2. So another linked list has been created. And then to actually terminate the first linked list, just put null value in link section of LOC. So LOC's link is equal to null. So here we finished the simple algorithm to split linked list. Now there is one limitation in this splitting. Suppose this data exists, the particular data exists twice or thrice in linked list. Now here we are just dividing linked list on the first occurrence of that particular data. If you want to split this linked list in many sections whenever that data appears, in that case what we can do, we can call this split LL in looping part. So we can call it again inside it, and we can create a nested structure, and we will divide one linked list in multiple linked lists. Whenever the data appears, we are splitting the linked list. Whenever the data appears, split the linked list. So by this technique, you can split this one linked list in multiple linked lists by using recursion technique. So I hope all of you understood these two operations: concatenation of linked list and splitting of linked list. If you like this video, please like it and put the comment what you want to see in data structures, so that I will make more videos, and subscribe my channel for getting similar kind of videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Happy learning.